at the airport, and we are going to be flying soon all the way to a conference here in Columbus, Ohio. It is 5:15 a.m. in the morning, awaiting to board our first flight out of Oakland and headed to Denver. So I brought myself a little friend here who's working hard just as hard as I am. So this is an amazing trip, and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I am going to be. And thank you so much for tagging along with me, guys. Airlines, so welcome to Columbus.
Change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Welcome! Room tour! Alright, so over here we have a cool bathroom with all the essentials and a cool, pretty cool shower! Nice. I like the door. This door over here, check it out. This is cool. I like that. Nice. Okay, we have our closet. Has our goodies in it already. All right, we've already unloaded. All right, we got the TV. We got our fridge. All right, we got bed number 1 and bed number 2. And then we got the office right here with our coffee maker. This is a pretty cool lounging chair right here with a view of Columbus. And if you come, that's the convention center that we're gonna go down in there. That's where it's gonna happen. What? Exciting. First adventure of the day with Bag Bro. Pretty cool spot. Check it out. Say hi, Nancy. Hi, Phyllis. Second day. We slept in so well. What time is it, right? It's 12 o'clock, and now we're just leaving because we did a little celebration last night, and then fun stuff doesn't start till 12. So we're gonna go registration, and then I'm gonna go do some leader stuff while this guy wanders Ohio, or go back to sleep. Welcome to the lanyard world. So he gets his own name. What does it say on there? I've never brought a guest before. So what does it say?
It says guest impact.
Oh. Okay.
Guys, look at these flowers, by the way.
He's like, I want to take these home.
I want to take these home.
My brother is really big into flowers. So put your thing on. So let's see mine. I got this. I got a VIP experience. What? Oh, some.
Please state your name.
Hey, Jen Cornell.
Love it.
Already registered, but I want you guys to see live. Ryan, check it out.
Don't wanna sleep in, 'cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and
Energy is
teacher, and although I was the most requested
gifts because he's my assistant. What do you got?
Shoes.
Check.
Brownies.
Check.
The other shoe.
Check. What?
I'm liking all of the participation. Let's go. June 1st, 2021. And May 31st. Submission.
This is for you, Carmen! Carmen!
Hello, Carmen Henninger and Cassandra Van Valkenburg. Happy Miller.
So being part of the presidential committee, we get early sneak peek of the fall stuff where it's just us. Thanks to you guys. A sneak peek of the fall 2022 lineup. This is just for you. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, sharing the love. So enough of the chit chat. Let's get to it. My class is over. Yes.
Welcome everyone. Shots for everyone. Ready, guys? Day 3.
How are you feeling, Ryan?
Tired but fun.
Yes! Everyone, Ryan's having his own fan. Hashtag I need a Ryan. Elaine Baghdad.
Yes. So your name, how long you've been with us, and what was your favorite part so far?
Okay. My name is Elaine Alderman, and I am sponsored by the awesome Rockstar show. And my favorite part was listening to Jocelyn tell her story, inspiring not only me, but everybody.
What's up, babes? It's the video you've been waiting for. It is your sneak peek to the fall 2022 catalog. Make sure you subscribe. Check out this fall playlist. I'm going to look up below and down below so you can check out all the goods. last night here, one of my favorites. We're off to praise and worship. This is going to be Ryan's first one. Definitely one of my favorite things to do, but first, gotta grab some coffee.
Are you ready to recognize some of our very deserving consultants?
I can't wait.
Members of PAC have a very important role. They help us make the right decisions for you, decisions that help to shape the future of 31.
Joining our #1 earner in the U.S., Rockstar, with 21 vegans.
Before we go, we gotta check this place out.
Market.
North Market. Like, we've been in conferences like all day, and this place closes at like at 5. So now I'm all packed. If you guys didn't see that live, go check it out, and then we are gonna make our way over here and see the fun stuff. Be a little touristy. That is a wrap. Came in late last night, midnight flight, and I'm back to the grind early, rise and shine. Why did I pick up this shift? Make sure you're subscribed so you can see all the fall stuff that's going to be coming out. And if it's not out yet, I'll put it right here. Check out the playlist I got for you, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta!